Hey you guys, check out this new camping kitchen. It's the tabletop. The grill is not included, but it does come with the two tabletops on the side and then the bags for more storage, and you can easily put your grill right on top. We actually decided to put the bags on, I guess you could say backwards, because we like to have the outward facing the people who are getting their plates and their spoons and their condiments and things like that. So we actually turned them around like that, but you can easily turn them back around. They do come down with a cover, which is nice, so you can still see what's in it, but you can close them up so bugs and things don't get in there. But again, the grill is not included, and we were lucky enough to be asked by the company Vevor, Vevor, to receive this in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. This is the little wind guard that folds up as well, and you can take off the tabletops, easy peasy, no tools are required. They just pop on, and then these bags just Velcro on, so there's no extra tools you have to assemble this. It's really easy just to pop up and to pop down and store it away. And then, like I said, you could take the grill off, and then you take those bags off, and you squeeze the inner part right there together. Let me show you. See how it just pops right together. And then you put the legs in on each side and fold down the tabletop side. So it's great if you don't have a lot of storage to bring this with you on camping trips, but everybody knows that you have to have this on camping trips, right? Because you always want to cook outside. So it just folds right up, very small. You throw it in the side of your camper and you close the door, and it's there when you need it. So we would definitely recommend this, and if you're on the fence, I would definitely go for it, and we hope you love it.